back to my channel. If you were new here, welcome. I do have a few giveaways going on right now, so be sure you go check those out. I will link them down below in the description box. I love giving back to people who support my channel. There is a handful of you guys who have just been so supportive this year, and I hope that it just continues. I absolutely love doing YouTube. I love doing videos. I love reviewing things for you guys. I love all things beauty. A lot of the time I come on here and I look a hot mess, but you guys tell me that I don't, and I really appreciate you, but I really know that I do. I am a mom to a almost 2-year-old boy, and I had to throw that boy part in there because boys are they're little handfuls. I know girls can too, but little boys, they're just crazy. And there's days like today where I am filming and it is almost 7 p.m. and I was on my way to work this morning, and my left eye had very bad blurred vision, and I couldn't go to work because I couldn't see out of my left eye really. So I had to have an eye appointment, and by the time I got my eye appointment, my eye seemed fine. Usually that happens. If I do get migraines, I get migraines every once in a while, but I didn't have a headache today. So I'm just like, I'm not going to wear eye makeup, because my eyes were irritated, but I put a little bit of face makeup on. But I did want to show you guys what's in the November Boxycharm, and I am going to be, at the end of this video, if you guys want to see how the products wear and stuff like that, I'm going to be trying out what's in this box. I don't know everything that's in this box, but I do know that it's an eyeshadow palette, and I am very excited about it. So yeah, if you guys want to see what's in the November Boxycharm, then just keep watching. Alright, let's open this puppy up. Now, if you guys want to see what my last month's, I cannot talk today, sorry. If you want to see what my last month's Boxycharm had in it, be sure you go check that video out. But yeah, going to open this box up. This is what it looks like. Now we have a pamphlet here, which shows, it tells you everything inside what we have. Okay, so first up I see this right here, which to me, very weird to see a sample pack inside Boxycharm. Now, last month's Boxycharm, to me, I thought it was a little weird because they put a few things in there that just really didn't seem like quality-wise like what they usually put in there, because it's usually very like high-end stuff. But this is the Undercover Pretty Vulgar Lightweight Concealer, and I'm actually excited about this. I didn't even know that they had a concealer, but I am going to use this concealer tomorrow, and I will use that dark shade, and hopefully it's not like too dark for me, but I'm going to use that darker shade to contour with. So like I said, I'll be using the products that I get in here later on in the video, so stay tuned if you want to see how it works out. So far, I do like that. Then I see hit myself in the face, these right here, and these are the Probiotic and Superfoods Tola Skincare Star Bright, Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. So there's 2 of those, and if you guys did not know, I'm very big on skincare and stuff like that, and I really do love face masks. So I'm excited about these. Let's see here. So I'm trying to look for a price on these. These right here are $22. So I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway in this video. I will be giving away one of these face masks to anyone. I will be putting in the description box how to enter. So if you want to try out one of these face masks, then be sure you follow the rules, because I'll be doing that. Alright, next up is the thing that I am so excited about, and this is it right here. This is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetic. And there's a color in here that kind of really looks exactly like my hair color. So I'm pretty excited about that. Oh my gosh. This palette looks so pretty, guys. Like, this palette is right up my alley, and I feel like this is going to be a palette that I'm going to be using all the time. I'm not gonna, okay, I'm gonna swatch one shade right now. I'm gonna swatch this gorgeous, like, shimmer. It's Internal Light. It's not as, maybe if I get a wet brush. Okay, it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. Like, it's very pretty, but it's not as pigmented as I thought. Let's go in with that blue. Okay, wow, okay. The matte shades are it's a lot creamier and super pigmented, and like I said, that matches my hair color amazing. So I was sitting there thinking, I just recently changed my hair color. You guys will see in other videos my hair is still purple because I pre-recorded those, but I could totally use this to like fill in my eyebrows. But again, this palette's gorgeous, and I'm excited to create a look with this palette, so very happy with that. All right, then I got the Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. And so this palette retails for $35. So this eye treatment is worth 50 bucks. That is so crazy. Now, I usually don't use eye treatments just because I feel like they just, sorry, this piece of hair is driving me nuts. I really just feel like, whoa, that's interesting. I really feel like it's kind of, it just bugs my eyes a little bit. So, but I think I'm going to try this out because Juice Beauty for like, this is $50. That is so crazy to me. But I know that I could, most likely, I'm 29 now. I feel like I am getting some wrinkles underneath my eyes. I need to use something like this, but most of the time they kind of just irritate my eyes. But I'm going to try this out because I know this is a really good brand. And if I don't end up liking it, then I can totally just sell it. But that's a good product. And I like the little applicator on it. All right. Then I got, wow. This box has like a lot in it. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. So I got the Cover FX glitter drops. And these retail for, where is it? $44. And we did get like this exact same thing last year, and I'm pretty sure it was like in December, I think. And these are really pretty. It's just not something that, oh man, yeah, it's just not something that I really would use. Now, if it was the lighter shade, I feel like I would use it, but it's really pretty. But like I said, I don't know, just the gold color, it just doesn't really match my skin tone. So this is something that, you know, I can sell and then make my money back off of it. But it's like a nice product, but just not something that I would wear. And then next up, okay, I'm excited about this. This is a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this is $18. And this is in the shade Nude Mood. And I'm really hoping that this is a color. Okay, I'm going to swatch this. Yes. This is a color I can see myself wearing a lot. I always smell stuff. But this is a color that I feel like would go perfect really with like any eye look, especially since it's like a nude. And I have a ColourPop liner that would, lip liner that would look great with this. And yeah, super pretty. So I will try that on.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our.
Okay, so I'm gonna pop on into the concealer. And this is supposed to be a lightweight concealer. I don't think that I would ever really choose to purchase a lightweight concealer, just because when I conceal, I like to have like it concealed. So, I mean, okay, so this is lightweight, it doesn't mean that it's not full coverage. It's supposed to be medium coverage. Okay, that should be fine. So I'm going to go in with this lightest shade right here first, and then just pop that open. And I'm going to stick this under my eyes. Usually I put my foundation on first, but if I'm going to cream contour, then I'm going to do it underneath my foundation. And so I'm going to just apply this like so, and then I'm going to grab the deepest shade right here and then just pop that on my face where I would contour my face. And I'm just going to use my fingers. So up here. Okay, I'm going to grab my beauty blender and blend this in. Okay, so I look a bit crazy right now, but I'm going to put my foundation on and you guys are going to see how this is all just going to blend together perfectly. I got a little of that brown concealer in my hair. But yeah, I'm going to, that blended out amazing. And I feel like it did give like medium coverage, but I do like the finish of it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on and I'll be right back. Okay, so that concealer blended really well, and I do really like that, the deepest shade in there. I think it worked really well, and like I said, I think it blended out great. So this lipstick is like the perfect nude for me, I feel like, and I have been on the hunt for a lipstick that's like not, I don't even know how to explain it, like not too pinky, not too brown, and doesn't make me look super washed out. And I just think that this lipstick, like I said in the beginning, is going to look good with like any makeup look. Now, talking about this eyeshadow palette, so this is the look that I created, and I have used a lot of eyeshadow palettes in my life, and this has to be probably one of my new favorite palettes, which is so crazy to me because I don't know if I would have bought this one. It's so hard to explain. That's what I love about subscription boxes, because you can try things out that you and get it obviously way cheaper. And get things that you don't think that you possibly would have like bought. And this blended out so amazing. I feel like you can create so many different looks with this. I'm really excited to go in with this blue and use it on the lid, as well as this right here, because this is like a grayish, yeah, it's like a grayish purple. Very pretty. And one thing I did notice about this shade right here that I used on the inner corner, you do need to, in order to get more pigmentation out of it, you need to wet your brush, and they work amazing. So I think this month, this box was probably one of my all-time favorite boxes that I've gotten, and I am very happy about it. So what do you guys think? Do you like this eye makeup look? Do you want to see me do another video using this? Because I totally will, because it's such a pretty palette. But yeah, like I said, this month it was awesome. And if you like these videos and you think that I should continue to get Boxycharm and do like try it out videos like this one, then let me know down below. You guys who have watched my IPSY unbagging, and I was asking you guys if I should continue to get IPSY or not. A lot of you guys gave me some really great feedback on that, and I appreciate it. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Like I said, if you want to win that face mask, just look at the description below. I will give you guys the rules and all that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.